Hi, this is Joe Stuckey, Cellcentrics CTO. In this training video, we're going to talk about the attribute groups or the card handling, so making multiple cards for an actor. To do that, let's go into the relationship chart administration. Uh, and we're going to, again, in this training video, work with a contact chart. So we're going to look at the actor contact. And we're going to look at the attribute groups. And as we do that, I'm going to actually try to bring this up so we can kind of see some things uh, as we page through. So you can see this is the general, and this page is general, primary address, communications, personal, sales, and so forth, credit, so forth and so on. And as you know, we can add, if you watch the other training videos, the uh, records from OneAway and from this entity as well as relationship chart attributes. And this is how we can sparse those on to different cards. We've added linked entity attribute here, consumer services, which is the industry code from the account. So perhaps we want to make a new card called account information. And we just save that. And then it will bring up the group attributes for us. And we're going to add that industry code. I like to always blow these up. And you'll notice that the account, it's got the industry code is in front of the account because it came from the account entity. We're just going to add that. And let's save and close that. And let's just save this. And refresh here. And you can see it's moved, and we will have an additional card now. So it's called the account card. It's very easy to build those. You can have up to 10 cards, and as you build those, also keep in mind that if you have a picture, that counts as one of the 10 cards. Again, if you want to bring other information, so on this general card, I've pulled away a lot of information from other things, and we've actually made some room because if you've watched the other videos, the email, the business phone, the mobile, and the status was already just an icon only. So we have a lot of room on that card. Perhaps we want to bring some information from one of the other cards. You can see that if I want to steal from, let's say, the credit card, I can see what's on that card, and I can actually say, yeah, I want to see if there are credits on hold. I'm going to bring that to the card, and I'm going to save and close that. So I can rearrange information very easily using these cards and maximizing them. Easily bringing information. Let's go to the general card. And you can see there's false, which is where the credit on hold is. So no, it's not. And that's a prime example of credit on hold. You would probably want to have an icon that showed the user that this was a credit. So again, if you need help with icons, we'll do that on it. There will be a training video that covers that, or we can help you with that. They're just 16 by 16 .png icons. Okay, this has been the group attributes training video. So it's the multiple cards, how you assign those. And this works for any entity. All you do is just go into the relationship charts admin. Again, pick the entity that you want to work with. And when you do, go to attribute groups. Thanks a lot for your time, and I hope you'll continue to watch these videos.